Hey friends, Dave here, Prather Farms. But I'm not in Prather Farms. But where am I today? Today I have just scaled, I'm at the top of an active volcano in New Zealand. Mount Mauoa. M-A-U-O-A. Anyway, I might have butchered that one, but take a peek at the view. Huh? Is that something? This is its own island, and this is really, really spectacular. I'll give you a little view. Oh. This is really spectacular and quite the challenge. It's 2,830 meters, so almost 3,000 feet, and you do it in about a mile. It's almost a vertical mile, and so it's got my attention. But I'll tell you what, this is really, really pretty spectacular. We're having a great time. Wow. Is that something? Anyway, I hope you guys and gals are having a good time. And it's time for me to turn around and head back down the mountain. But pretty special. So I just wanted to share it with you. Hope you're all having a great time.